Hello Moonbeams, creative crafters and beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. Today's vid, albeit not fully there, is our contribution to Soaps for Love 2021 YouTube Spring Quartet Soap Collab. The goal was to choose 4 colors that you would feel says spring and why you chose them. That part was easy enough. When I think of spring, I of course imagine flowers. First, and a personal favorite, cherry blossoms. I chose Jazzberry Red Mica from Be Scented. Hey Jen! Mixing with some oil taken from the batch, it behaved so nicely, and wait until you see that swirl. Next, I mixed a bit of green woodland oxide with emerald green mica, both from Candora Soap Supplies. This embodies the green grass and first leaves on the trees. Truly, spring has sprung. Now, back to flowers. Lilacs and tulips. Those are the first to bloom here. Light purple, white, the lilacs, oh, so fragrant. We chose Purple Galaxy Mica from Candora. It was the perfect fit for both. It's a wonderful pigmented color, and a little goes a long way. Finally, white. White for spring, you say in a high-pitched voice very confusingly? Yup, white. I live in Quebec. Bonjour, YouTube. Comment allez-vous? I digress. White, simply because the snow can stay in shady areas well into May. Also, cute fluffy Simpsons clouds. So yeah, white. Good old titanium dioxide, water-soluble from, well, us, Blue Moon Scents. It's gonna be available soon. We also added a bit to each color to achieve a more pastel Easter hue. Easter and pastel Easter eggs are our final Ode to Spring. Huh, that's a catchy title. Ode to Spring. That's a fitting name. So, here's where the not fully there part is. We were so nervous about A, trying a new technique that we have never done before, the one pot wonder. B, putting ourselves out there on YouTube, not the easiest thing to do in the world, and we're slowly getting over that. C, inexperience of filming and film editing. I lost all the footage of me mixing the colors, pouring the colors, and then pouring the colors into the mold as we were supposed to. My apologies. We promise the next one will be much better. Anyhow, let's get on to the cut and the pictures of the soap afterwards. Thanks.